Hello everyone, this is Meet Kits, and today let's unbox our ALFA Kit Electricity 1 and see what's inside. So there we open the box. Here is a user guide where we find all the instructions as usual. Then we have two switches with a button to switch on and off. Another component is we have batteries, which are 3 in the kit, so there's a positive and negative side, and always make sure you observe the polarities when assembling the components. So another component that we have in our kit is cell holders. So we have 3 cell holders in the kit where you can use to insert your cell. So you just take a cell like that, then you insert in the cell holder. Make sure always the battery is connected corresponding to the polarities, and these cell holders have connectors, so when you're connecting the wires it's easier for you. We also have 6 connectors in the kit, just like you can see in the video. We also have wires, which are 11 wires, and you can use a connector to connect just like it's shown in the video. We also have LEDs in the kit. There is a white LED. Then there are also green LEDs, so 2 green LEDs and 1 white. We also have 1 electrolytic capacitor, 1 ceramic capacitor, and also we have 1 light dependent resistor and other 2 resistors, one for 4700 ohms and the other for 100 ohms. So these are all the components that we have in the kit. We can return our user guide and close the kit like that. Bye bye.